What you got here today?
Zombies.
Zombie trucks? Monster trucks?
Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum,
I
yum.
found a fishy. Yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum. That was tasty. I got here one more. It's a tasty one. Eat that.
It's tasty.
Is it tasty? I need some more. I saw a dinosaur over there. Let's go for a dinosaur hunt. It's getting away! It's getting away! Oh no, he's moving. What you got here today?
Zombies.
Zombie trucks? Monster trucks?
No, those are not.
Oh.
Here's a tow truck. See, this is the zombie that's gonna hunt for the boats. This is the zombie gonna hunt for fish. This is the zombie that's gonna hunt for the boats. And this zombie that I painted
Yeah, you paint that?
going to
Wow.
find fishies.
That's cool.
Some zombies are gonna find chocolate.
Oh, wow. Are you gonna drive this one or this zombie? Which zombie do you want to drive?
This.
Oh,
Me.
okay.
And this zombie has razor sharp teeth. It's
Let's
so,
go.
No, that's a bad monster. It's a monster kid. Let's go hunt.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to eat something. I'm
We
hungry.
haven't. Is that right? We didn't eat anything for years.
Oh, yeah.
When we landed in making ghosts was super tired. We need some fishies and chocolate to fill us up to make more ghosts.
Okay. Let's go find something.
Yeah.
I found something over here. Look.
Me too. Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum,
I
yum.
found a fishy. Yum, yum.
That was tasty. Was it tasty?
Yeah.
Let's go find some more. I'm still hungry. Let's go. All right. Did you find more? I got here one more. It's a tasty one. It's so good. Did you find more? Tasty. Oh, there's another one. Are you gonna eat this or am I gonna eat this? I'm gonna eat this. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Is he eating grass? Yeah, you gotta find some more fish.
I need some grass so we can.
Oh, there's fish. Did you eat that?
It's tasty. It's a little
Is
bit.
it tasty? I need some more. Yeah, I'm very big monster. I'm very big monster zombie, so yeah, I need to eat more. Yeah, this one I'm gonna eat, okay? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Got some more?
I think I saw
Oh, you found one. Yeah. Let's go find some more. I see some over there. Look.
Got it.
You got it? Okay. Okay, you eat that orange color fish. It looks tasty.
No, I have to do yummy. I have orange right there. I got it in my tummy.
Oh, there's one more orange. Let me eat this one.
We got 2 oranges.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah, are you gonna eat that over there? Yeah, over here. Look.
Another orange one.
Oh, let's see. Let's find some more.
I'll lead you to it. Right there, for you.
You sure you don't want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me
What?
eat this.
Someone's gonna lead us more fishies. So we can catch people.
I see some green color fish over there. Let's go and find it. Oh, there it is. There's one. I'm gonna eat it.
There's a green one.
Let's eat this one.
Two green ones.
Oh, you got another green one?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's find another one. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, is he gonna eat that?
Yeah. And there's one right there.
Oh, here's another one. Yeah. Let's get this.
I think I saw more.
Oh, there's another one.
Yum, yum, yum. And there's another one for you.
Is it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat it if you want.
I think
You want me to eat it?
Sure.
Okay.
We're getting a little bit full, but we want more because we need more eggs, don't you? I'll get a clock in there.
Yeah.
Ping, ping, ping.
Okay. Let's go and find. Do you see any more? There's some more. Come this way.
It's a bullet.
Oh yeah. Okay, but you are hungry, so you can eat it. Yeah.
But it's gross. It's green inside.
Oh, it's okay. You can eat it when you're hungry. You are just a zombie.
It was a human head.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a green one over there. Over there. Go. Over here.
Me. Jump. It's in my belly.
Okay. I'm hungry. I saw a dinosaur over there. Let's go for a dinosaur hunt. Oh, there's a dinosaur. I think. Oh, there's the baby. Let's eat the baby leopard. He's running away. There's not one. Let's go quietly. It's getting away. It's getting away. It's getting away. It's getting away.
Did you lick the feet?
I think I saw a dinosaur over there. Let's sneak up from behind. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Let's go slowly and sneak up from behind. Slowly. Getting away. Getting away. Getting away. Oh no. I got him. There's another one. Let's go around the tree. From behind. Look, there's another one right here.
looking for dinosaurs.
Oh no, he's moving. Don't eat me, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Because he's sitting up there. You see that? You see that on the tree? Yeah. Quietly, okay? Zombie monster truck. Climb up quietly, okay?
Okay, super. Soft.
Okay, try it again. He got away. Zombie monster truck got him. Wow. Good job hunting monster truck, hunting dinosaurs. Let's take it home.
Thank you for watching. Click this live. Nailed it.